Here I have Asus ROG Phone 6, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the arrow here, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have set volume key as. So you can set it as shutter or as zoom. So let's set it to zoom and try this feature out. And as you can see now with volume keys I can zoom in or zoom out. So yeah, kinda nice feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.